the bull bites, the venison bull bites, I like to call them. These have what we call a meat rub on them, which is King's Rub, and it's pretty spicy. It's got a lot of coarse garlic in it. It's got salt in it. It's got pink salt in it. It's got black pepper, and I put garlic powder on them, and I also put some oregano on them just to give it a little kick, and a little fennel and a little anise. So it really just spices up the way that they're prepared. And then I also am grilling some sweet red peppers and yellow peppers on the grill to go along with them, because it just makes for a nice combination. But this recipe version of it is in my first book, Recipes by DDK, which again you can find at Flicker's Meat Market, which is on White Bear Avenue in White Bear Lake, and Grundhofer's Meat Market in Hugo, Minnesota. You also can buy direct from the author, which is me, Jonna Llanos, personal chef and owner of Diva Dish Kitchens. That's what DDK stands for. So you can call me and place an order, and I will ship anywhere, with it, which will be extra to ship. But you can call me direct at 612-859-3270. I look forward to speaking to you, and I hope you buy lots of books. And I do sell wholesale as well, and that's a totally different price point. So you need to call me to contact me, because every sale I donate $1 towards our local food shelf, which feeds our community, feeds the people, feeds the children, helps everybody. That's what we're all here for, not just for ourselves, but for the big neighborhood that we live in and we enjoy our lives in. So I hope you listen to this video, and I hope you take it to heart, and I hope you buy lots of my books. You will not be sorry. I've got 2 books, Recipes by DDK and What's My Dinner. You're going to love them both. Have a great, wonderful evening and rest of your day, and enjoy your life and eat well. Ciao for now, baby. Bye.